Inversion. 10 plus most common inversion structures with examples. Never. Never have I seen such a beautiful sunset. Rarely. Rarely does she stay up so late to work. Seldom. Seldom does he take a day off even when he's sick. Hardly. Hardly had we sat down when we were offered refreshments. Barely. Barely had the concert begun when it started to rain. Scarcely. Scarcely had the news been announced when people started celebrating. No sooner. No sooner had I finished cooking than the guests arrived. Only after. Only if. Only when. Only then. Only later. Only later did they discover the truth about their family. Not only did she miss the bus, but she also lost her wallet. Under no circumstances. Under no circumstances should children travel without an adult. In no way. In no way did they agree to this. At no time. At no time should you compromise your values. Little. Little do people realize how hard it is to learn English. Nowhere. Nowhere did she find the book she was looking for.